Hello student, welcome to my math class. This is the second class of chapter number 9 fractions. On my last class, we have completed exercise 9a. Today we shall solve exercise 9b. Exercise 9b. Question number 1. Ring the like fractions. Ring the like fractions. So we know that fractions with same denominator are like fractions. Fractions with same denominator are like fractions. So question number A, 2 by 5, 2 by 7, 1 by 5, 2 by 9. So here we get 2 by 5, 2 by 7, 1 by 5 and 2 by 9. So we get here 5 as a denominator and this fraction also 5 as a denominator. So these two fractions are like fractions. Here 2 by 7, here denominator is 7, 2 by 9, here denominator is 9. So these two fractions are unlike fraction. So we ring only these two fractions, 2 by 5 and 1 by 5. These two fractions are like fractions. Question number B. 3 by 4, 3 by 11, 3 by 7 and 7 by 11 and 7 by 9. Here also we get 3 by 4, 3 by 11, 7 by 11, 7 by 9. So here 3 by 11 denominator is 11, 7 by 11. Here also denominator is 11. So that means these two fractions are like fractions. These two fractions are like fractions. We ring these two only. This 3 by 4, here denominator is 4 and 7 by 9, denominator is 9. That means different denominators are there. That means the two fractions are unlike fractions. Number C. 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 2 by 3, 2 by 7. So same denominator only there, 1 by 6, 1 by 6 and 2 by 6. This 1 by 6 is and 2 by 6. These two fractions are like fractions. Next question number D. 1 by 10, 10 by 20, 10 by 12, 10 9 by 10 and 7 by 10. So these fractions we get as a denominator 10, 10, 10. So here 1 by 10, 9 by 10 and 7 by 10, these three fractions are like fractions. We ring these three fractions. Next question, question number E. Question number E. Here 5 by 9, 8 by 9, 7 by 9 and 6 by 9. So here we see all denominators are same. All denominators are same. 5 by 9, here 9, 8 by 9, 9 here, 7 by 9, 9 here, 6 by 9, 9 here. So all fractions are like fractions. Here 4 fractions are there. These 4 fractions are like fractions. Next, question number F. 4 by 13, 2 by 15, 9 by 15, 13 by 15. So this question we get here. First one is 4 by 13, 2 by 15, 9 by 15, 13 by 15. So here except this 4 by 13, rest 3 fractions are equivalent fraction 15, 15, 15. That means these 3 fractions are like fractions. These 3 fractions are like fractions. So next question, question number 2. Question number 2. Color the proper fractions green and the improper fractions red. Color the proper fractions green and improper fractions red. So we know proper fraction, the numerator is smaller than denominator. Numerator is smaller than denominator, and the improper fractions, if denominator or numerator is greater than denominator. Numerator is greater than denominator. So proper fraction, if numerator is smaller than denominator, then it is a proper fraction. Or improper fraction, if numerator is greater than denominator or equal to denominator, or numerator is equal to denominator, or numerator is equal to denominator. So now we solve question number A. Question number A, 3 by 5. 3 by 5, here 3 is smaller than 5. So their numerator is smaller than 5. So this fraction is proper fraction. You color in your copy, it is green. You color it green. Question number B, 5 by 3. 5 by 3. Here 5 is greater than 3. So denominator is greater, numerator is greater than denominator. So this fraction is improper fraction. It is proper fraction. It is improper fraction. Improper fraction. So improper fraction, you color red. So you color this fraction red. Question number C, 4 by 9. 4 by 9. 4 is smaller than 9. So numerator is smaller than denominator. That means you have to color green. You have to color it green. Next, question number D, 2 by 1. This one also improper fraction. 2 is greater than 1. Then you have to color it red. Next, number E. Question number E, 6 by 17. So here 6 by 17. So 6 is smaller than 17. So numerator is smaller than denominator. So it is improper proper fraction. This fraction is improper fraction. Proper fraction. So you have to color green. Next, question number F, 7 by 7. Both numerator or denominator both are same. That means it is improper fraction. If we got numerator equal to denominator, then it is improper fraction. So you have to color it red. Next, question number 3. Question number 3. Take the mixed fraction. Take the mixed fraction. So we know a fraction made up of a whole number and a proper fraction is called mixed fraction. So a whole number, suppose 3 is whole number, and a proper fraction 2 by 4. 2 by 4 is a proper fraction. 3 is whole number. 2 by 4 is a proper fraction. Both combination of whole number and fraction, whole number and proper fraction is called mixed fraction. Now question number A, 2 by 5, 2 by 5, 1 by 8, 1 by 8, 7 3/6. So in this question we found this fraction 2 is whole number and 2/5 is proper fraction. 2 is whole number and 2/5 is a proper fraction. So this fraction is mixed fraction. We take this one. Next 1/8, no whole number is there. That means only fraction is there, proper fraction is there. So this is this one is not a mixed fraction. Next 1/8. So here 1 is whole number and this 1/8 is fraction, proper fraction. That means this one is mixed fraction. We take this one. Next 7 3/6. So here 7 is whole number and 3/6 is proper fraction. So this one also mixed fraction. Next question number B. 7/10, 6/6, 5/12, 8/8, 2, 8/9. So here 7/10 only fraction is there, whole number is not there. That means it is a proper fraction, not a mixed fraction. This one 6, 5/12. Here 6 is whole number and 5/12 is proper fraction. This one is mixed fraction. We take 8/8. So both numerator and denominator same. So it is a improper fraction, not a mixed fraction. This one is 2, 8/9. 2, 8/9. So 2 is proper whole number and 8/9 is proper fraction. That means this one is mixed fraction. We take this one, this fraction. Next question number C. Question number C. 5/9, 8, 4/7, 3, 6/13, 2/7. Here 5/9. So 5/9 only fractional part is there. Whole part is not there, integral part is not there. That's why it is a only not a mixed fraction. This 5/9 is not a proper fraction, not a mixed fraction. Here 8 is whole number and 4/7. 4/7 is proper fraction. So this fraction is mixed fraction. We take this one. 6/13. So 3 is whole number and 6/13 is proper fraction. So this one also mixed fraction. 2/7. 2/7 is improper proper fraction, not a mixed fraction. So only 8 4/7 and 3 6/13. Next question number 4. Question number 4. Write the integral part and the fractional part of each fractions of each fraction. So we know that in a mixed fraction, the whole number part is called integral part. In a mixed fraction, the whole number part is called integral part, and the fraction is called fractional part, and the fraction is called fractional part. The two parts are there in a mixed fraction. So whole number part is called integral part and fraction is called fractional part. So question number A, 3 2/7, 3 2/7. This is a mixed fraction. So here 3 is we know whole number and 2/7 is proper fraction. So 3 is whole number. So we know in a mixed fraction the whole number part is called integral part. So here 3 is integral part and fraction is called fractional part. So here 2/7 is fractional part. So we write in this fraction integral part is 3. Integral part is 3 and fractional part is 2/7. Integral part is 3 and fractional part is 2/7. Next question, question number B. Here 4 3/4. So here also same, this 4 is integral part and 3/4 is fractional part. Integral part is 4 and fractional part is 3/4. Next question number C. Question number C, 6 1/3. So here we got 6 is whole number. So whole number is called integral part. So 6 is integral part and 1/3 is proper fraction. So it is fractional part. 1/3 is fractional part. The fractional part is 1/3. Next, question number D, 7 5/9. 7 5/9. So here 7 is whole number. So whole number is integral part. Integral part is 7 and 5/9 is improper proper fraction. So it is fractional part. 5/9. Next, question number E. Question number E, 12 2/5. 12 2/5. 12 is integral part and 2/5 is fraction, proper fraction. So it is fractional part. Integral part is 12 and 2/5 is fractional part. or fractional part is 2 by 5. Next question number F. 10 7 by 12. 10 7 by 12, whole number is 10, so integral part is 10 and fractional part is 7 by 12. 7 by 12. Okay, next question number 5. Question number 5. Change into mixed fraction. Change into mixed fraction. So we know if fraction is improper fraction, so we can change it into mixed fraction. So question number A, 4 by 3. So rule is we divide numerator by denominator. First we divide 4 divide by 3. 4 divide by 3 or 4 divided by 3. So 4 3 4. 3 1 is 3, remain 3. So the mixed fraction will be here quotient equal to 1 and remainder equal to 1. So fraction will be the question is the answer, the result of division or quotient is 1. So 1 is what? Whole number, and remainder is numerator and denominator remain same. So the fraction is, mixed fraction is 1 1 by 3. 1 1 by 3. Next question number B, 5 by 2. So 5 by 2, 5 is big and 2 is small. 5 is greater than 2, so it is a improper fraction. So we have to change into mixed. We can change it into mixed fraction. 5 divide 2. 5 divide by 2. So we do divide 5 2. So here 2 2 jar 4, remainder is 1. So Q equal to 2, R equal to 1. So here the mixed fraction will be 2, remainder 1 is numerator and denominator is remains same. Answer is the mixed fraction is 2 1 by 2. 2 1 by 2. Next question number C, 11 by 4. So first we divide 11 by 4. 4 11. 11 2 jar, sorry, 4 2 jar 8, 4 2 jar 8. So here remain 3. Remainder is 3. So Q equal to 2, R equal to 3. So here Q equal to 2, that means mixed fraction will be 2, remainder is 3, and denominator is 4. Here denominator is 4, denominator always remains same. So here 2 3 by 4, mixed fraction is 2 3 by 4. Next question, question number D. 11 by 5. We divide 11 divide by 5. So 11 5. Here 5 2 jar 10, remain 1. So Q equal to 2, R equal to 1, remainder equal to 1. So fraction, mixed fraction will be 2, remainder is 1, and denominator remains same 5. Mixed fraction will be 2 1 by 5. Next question, question number E. 23 by 6. 23 by 6. First we divide 23 divided by 6. So 6 23. So 6 3 jar 18, 6 4 jar 24. So it is more than 24 is more than 23. So 6 3 jar 18, 6 3 jar 18, remain 13 minus 8 is equal to 5. So here Q equal to 3 and R equal to 5, remainder 5. So fraction is, mixed fraction is here 3, remainder equal to 5, and denominator always remains same. Mixed fraction is 3 5 by 6. Next question number 6. Question number 6. Change into improper fraction. Improper fraction. So we know if fraction is mixed fraction, then we can change it into improper fraction. So first question number A, 2 1 by 2. The rule is whole number into denominator plus 1 plus numerator. So here by denominator. So here 2 is whole number into denominator is 2, 2 into 2 plus numerator 1 divided by denominator. So now 2 2 jar 4, 4 plus 1 5, and remainder is there, denominator is same 2. So the improper fraction is 5 by 2. Improper fraction is 5 by 2. So question number B, 3, 2 by 3. Rule is same. Whole number into denominator. Whole number into denominator plus numerator. 2 by denominator always remains same. So here 3 by 3. Now 3 3s are 9 plus 2 9 11. 9 plus 2 is equal to 11 and by 3. Here 3, this 3 always remains same. So 11 by 3. Next question number C. 4, 3 by 5. Same rule. Whole number 4 into 5 denominator plus 3 by 5. So now here 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20 plus 3 23. 23 by 5. The improper fraction is 23 by 5. Next question number D. Question number D. 2 3 by 8. 2 3 by 8. Here same rule. Whole number 2 into 8 plus 3 by 8. So 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16 plus 3 19. 2 8s are 16 plus 3 16 plus 3 equal to 19 by 8. The improper fraction is 19 by 8. Next question number E. 5 by 6. So here 5 into 6 plus 5 by here 6. Now 5 6s are 30 plus 5 35. 5 6s are 30 plus 5 35 by 6. The improper fraction is 35 by 6. Next question number F. 5 4 by 9. So here 5 into 9 plus 4 by 9. So 5 9s are 45 plus 4 49. 5 9s are 45 plus 4 49 by 9. Improper fraction is 49 by 5. 9. 49 by 9. Okay, next question number 7. Question number 7. Write in the form of fraction. Write in the form of fraction. So first question number A, 7 divide 2. 7 divide 2 we write as a form of fraction. So first we divide. First we divide it. So 2, how many times go? 2 3 jar 6. 2 3 jar 6. So remainder is equal to 6 minus 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. So here quotient equal to 3 and remainder equal to 1. So the fraction we got here, 3 is whole number and 3 whole number and remainder is numerator and denominator is 2. Denominator is 2. So fraction is 3 1 by 2. 3 1 by 2. Question number B, 9 divide 4. 9 divide 4 equal to dash. So we write in the form of fraction. So we divide first. 4 9. 4 to jar 8. So here 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. So Q is equal to 2 and R equal to 1. So fraction is, so here 2 is whole number and 2 is whole number and remainder is 1. 1 is numerator and denominator is 4. The mixed fraction is, the fraction is 2 1 by 4. Next question number C. Question number C, 16 by divide 5. 16 divide 5. We write in the form of fraction. So first we do divide. 5 16. So 5, how many times go? 5 3 jar 5. How many times goes? 5 3 jar 15. 5 3 jar 15. So 16 minus 15 is equal to 1. 15 minus here 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. 0. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So here quotient is equal to 3 and remainder equal to 1. So fraction is whole number is 3. Whole number or integral part is 3 and remainder is 1. So remainder 1 is numerator and denominator is 5. So here fraction is 3 1 by 5. Next question number D. Question number D, 29 divide 8 equal to dash. So first we do divide. We know 8 3 jar 8 3 jar 24. 8 3 jar 24. So 9 minus 4 is equal to 5 and here remain 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So here quotient Q equal to 3 and remainder equal to 1. So fraction is 3 is whole number or integral part and 1 is numerator and denominator is 8. Fraction is 3 1 by 8. Sorry, here remainder is 5. So fraction will be 3 5 by 8, 3 5 by 8. Next question number E. Question number E. 28 divide 9 equal to dash. So first we do divide 9 28. So we know 9 3 are 27, 9 3 are 27. So minus 8 minus 7 is equal to 1, 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So here quotient equal to 3 and remainder equal to 1. So here fraction is 3 1 by 9. Next question number 8. Question number 8. Write in the form of division. Write in the form of division. So here given fraction we write in the form of division. Question number A. 5 by 9. So 5 by 9 is a proper fraction. So we write as a in the form of division. So division we know always, if we write division fraction to division from, in the division from, so numerator divide by denominator and divide by d. So here n numerator is 5 divide by 9. So this is division from. Or from of division. Question number B. 6 by 19. So same numerator is 6. Numerator 6 divided by 19. So it is a form of division form. Next number C. 2 5 by 6. So if the fraction is mixed fraction, so first we change into improper fraction, then we write division form. So first mixed fraction to improper fraction, we know whole number into what, denominator plus numerator by 6. So here 6 to jar 12, 12 plus 5 is equal to 17, 17 by 6, 17 by 6. Now we write in the form of division. So it is here numerator is 17, 17 divide 6, 17 divided by 6. Next question number D. Same mixed fraction 4, mixed fraction 4 3 by 5, 4 3 by 5. So first we change into improper fraction. So here 4 into 5, 4 into 5 plus 3 by 5. Now 4 5 are 20, 20 plus 3 23, 23 by 5. 23 by 5. So if we write division in the form of division, say 23 divide 5. 23 divide 5. Next question number E. Question E. 6 1 by 8 equal to dash. So first we change into improper fraction. So 6 8 jar 48 plus 1 49, or we do 6 into 8 plus 1 by 8. So 6 8 jar 48 plus 1 49 by 8. Division from, if we write, then it is 49 divide 8. 49 divide 8. Next question number 9. Question number 9. Change into mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. Question number 9. Change into mixed fraction. So we know if fraction is improper fraction, so we can change into mixed fraction. So here question number 1, 7 by 2. So if we change improper fraction into mixed fraction, so first we do divide. 7 divide 2. 7 divide 2. Now 2 sevens, 2 3 jar 6. So here 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. So here quotient equal to 2 and remainder equal to 1. So fraction, mixed fraction is here, sorry, 3. So here 3 1 by 2. 3 1 by 2. Fraction will be mixed fraction is 3 1 by 2. Question number B. 7 3. 7 divide 3. Now 3 2 jar 6. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. Q equal to 3, 2 and remainder equal to 1. So fraction will be 2 1 by 3. 2 1 by 3. Next question number. Next question number C. 13 by 4. 13 by 4. If we divide 13 by 4, then 4 3 jar 12. 4 3 jar 12, remain 1. So fraction will be 3 1 by 4. 3 1 by 4. The fraction is 3 1 by 4. Next question number D. Question number D. 23 by 5. We divide 23, 5. So here 5 4s are 20. Remind 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. 2 minus 2 is equal, so fraction is 4 3 by 5. Fraction is 4 3 by 5. Next, question number E. 21 by 9. Divide 9 to jar 18. So 11 minus 2, 11 minus 8 is equal to 3. So here fraction is 2 3 by 9. 2 3 by 9. Next, question number F. 37 by 12. So divide 12 37. So 12 3 jar 20 36. 12 3 jar 36. Remains 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. 3 minus 3 equal to 0. So fraction is 3 1 by 12. 3 1 by 12. Next, question number G. Question number G. 48 by 15. 48 by 15, we divide 48 15. So 15 3 jar 45. 15 3 jar 45. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So here fraction is 3. Mixed fraction is 3 by 15. 3 by 15. 3 by 15. Next, question number 10. Question number 10. Change into improper fraction. Change into improper fraction. Change into improper fraction if the fraction is mixed fraction, so we can change into improper fraction. Question number A. 2 3 by 5. 2 3 by 5. Rule we already know. Whole number into denominator plus numerator by 5. So here 2 5 jar 10. 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. 13 by 5. The improper fraction is 13 by 5. Next, question number B. 4 1 by 3. 4 1 by 3. So rule same. 4 into 3 whole number into denominator plus numerator by 3. So 4 3 jar 12. 12 plus 1 13. 13 by 3. The improper fraction is 13 by 3. Next, question number C. Question number 10C. 6 5 by 7. So rule is 6 into 7 plus 5 by 7. So now 6 7s are 42. 6 7s are 42 plus 5 42 plus 5 47. 47 and by 7. The improper fraction is 47 by 7. Next question number D. 8 1 by 4. 8 1 by 4. So here 8 into denominator 4 plus 1 by 4. So 8 4s are 24. 8 4s are 32. 8 4s are 32 plus 1 33. 33 by 4. The improper fraction is 33 by 4. Next, question number E. Question number E. 10E. 9 2 by 5. 9 2 by 5. 9 into 5 plus 2 by 5. Now 9 5s are 45 plus 2. 45 plus 2 47. 47 by 5. So improper fraction is 47 by 5. Next, question number F. 10F. 10 5 by 7. 10 5 by 7. So whole number into denominator plus numerator by 7. So 10 7s are 70 plus 5. 75 by 7. The improper fraction is 75 by 7. Next, question number G. Question number G. 33 by 1 by 3. 33 1 by 3. Now here 33 into 3 plus 1 by 3. So 33 into 3. 33 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 equal to 100. So answer is 100 by 3. Answer is 100 by 3. Next, question number 11. Question number 11 fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Question number A. 5 by 4 is A oblique N dash fraction and 5 1 by 4 is N dash fraction. So here 5 by 4 is N dash fraction. So here 5 by 4. So we know if numerator is greater than denominator, then it is it is improper fraction. So the fraction is improper fraction. So here 5 is greater than 4. So numerator is greater than denominator. That means this 5 by 4 is improper fraction. Next, and 5 1 by 4 is N dash fraction. Here 5 1 by 4. So here we get whole number and fraction and proper fraction. We know in a fraction, if whole number and proper fraction is there, then it is a mixed fraction. So this 5 1 by 4 is a mixed fraction. Next, question number B. Among 3 by 13, 7 by 13, 13 by 17 and 17 by 19. The like fractions are dash. So we know fractions with same denominator is like fractions. Fractions with same denominator is like fraction. So here we get 3 by 13, 7 by 13, here 13, there also denominator 13, same denominator, but 17 and 19 are not same, different denominators are there. So that means here 3 by 13 and 3 by 13 and 7 by 13 are like fractions. 3 by 13 and 7 by 13 are like fraction. Next, question number C. Next, question number C in 6 1/3 the integral part is 6. Integral part is dash and fractional part is dash. So we know in a mixed fraction the whole number part is called integral part and the fraction is called fractional part. So here whole number part is 6 and fraction is 1/3, proper fraction 1/3. So this one is fractional part and this one is 6 is integral part. So here in 6 1/3 the integral part is 6 and the fractional part is 1/3. Fractional part is 1/3. So my dear students, this is the end of this chapter. If you have any doubt regarding this chapter, you can call me at night. Thank you.